Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video here I have with me the JBL Flip 4 by Harman Portable's wireless speaker. Let me tell you more about it. The JBL Flip 4 features a durable design and its IPX7 waterproof rating makes it an ideal choice for the outdoors. This speaker can wirelessly connect up to 2 smartphones or tablets at a time, so you can take turns playing impressive stereo sound without disconnecting and reconnecting to different gadgets. It comes with a 3000 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery and supports up to 12 hours of playtime. The speaker has dual passive bass radiators for a true and dynamic bass sound. In addition, it also connects to Google or Siri and can play music, Spotify, podcast, or call and send messages using the integrated voice assistant for a seamless experience. It also features a built-in noise and echo-cancelling speakerphone and comes with a 1-year warranty, so you can blast your favorite tunes with no worries. This is a portable, handy, and a lightweight speaker that comes in 12 different colors.